guess what we're making today? Wings. Why? Because it's football season, and who doesn't love wings? So I'm gonna show you guys how I make my wings. It's so easy. Let's get into it. I have here a dozen wings, in case you were wondering. Now we are going to add some spices into this. So I usually don't like to measure, but this time I will measure for you. You're welcome. You're gonna need some salt. I'm gonna do a teaspoon. I'm pretty much gonna do a teaspoon of everything. Honey. I'm just gonna drizzle it on here. And then you wanna start adding your spices. I really don't measure my spices because, I mean, I can't get enough of them. But if you really want to, you can use like a teaspoon for everything. Drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. Parsley flakes. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Black pepper. White pepper powder. Oh, let's do it this way. Roasted garlic and herbs. Barbecue seasoning. I love me my barbecue seasoning. I put it in everything, so. 1, 2, 3 shakes. I'm going to add some fish sauce. A teaspoon. I'm going to add my favorite oyster sauce. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to add a little bit of chicken flavor soup base mix. Now there's different kinds. I wish I got the powder one, but they ran out, so I got this one. It really looked like you about to feed the chickens or something, but it's not chicken food. Just put a little bit. So you do not need to use these ingredients in your wings, but I love to put them in my wings. It tastes really good. It gives it a kick. It's lemongrass, ginger, and garlic. Try it. You might like it. So you want to mince everything up and toss them into your wings with all the spices. I just got this knife at the Lowe's store, and it is so sharp, and it was only $5.99. I mean, I might go back and get some more. The lady was telling me, she's like, that knife is so sharp, you better be careful. I'm like, lady, I know. That's why I bought it. But, I mean, so far I love it. Works for everything. So, don't come for me. I know I'm not mincing this properly because I don't have the correct knife to do so, but this knife is so sharp that I'm like, okay, but then I'm not willing to risk my fingers being cut off, so I'm going extremely slow. So sorry about that. If you're like, what the heck is wrong with you, girl? Like, chop that shit up. Oops, I mean, sorry about that language. Lena language. I think I'm just gonna use this much lemongrass. I freeze all my lemongrass, so everything. I freeze everything. The garlic, the ginger, the lemongrass, it lasts longer. So if you buy them, make sure you freeze them. Mince some a little more. Hiya! It's like music to my ears. Just kidding. Okay, so we have everything we need. I put the lemongrass, ginger, garlic in here. And now we're just gonna mix it up. You know, sometimes I watch food videos and people are using gloves because, you know, some people might think that's gross. You just be using your hands. But let me tell you, I have been doing this my whole entire life. I appreciate food so much that I'm like, you know what? It's just gonna be raw. It's It's gonna be me and the food, skin to skin. Why I said that. I am going to add a little more honey because I like my wings somewhat like salty sweet. Up to you. You guys, I totally forgot about the cornstarch. So I use a tablespoon of cornstarch, and I just use like, I think a teaspoon of water. The reason why I'm adding cornstarch is because I want it to be a little bit more crispy, and it seems to be working for me, so that's why. Mix some more. Thought I was done, but I guess not. Now it is time to put this into the oven. Now I am not frying these. I don't know, I just like to throw them in the oven. You can fry them if you want, but not me. There is another wing. Dang, can I fit in here? Oh, go see your twin. Yo, doesn't this look good? Looks good to me so far. So we are going to put this into the oven to bake for 400 degrees Fahrenheit at, let's do 30 minutes for now, and then we'll check on it. Yo, look at the, oh man, it really had to do that right now. I'm so sorry. Look at this. It looks so good, my wings. So I did check at the 30-minute mark, and it was not as crispy or golden brown as I want it to be, so I left it in there for about 10 more minutes. So total 40 minutes, and you should have golden brown wings like this. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time.